Hi, I'm Reetika. Today we'll learn coding, decoding, a must for RIMC. I'll show simple rules, tricks, and quick methods so you can solve problems fast in the exam. Decoding. Let's go. Tricks for RIMC vertical bar 5 minutes crash course. Coding. Decoding means a word or sentence is transformed into another form by a fixed rule. Your job is to find the rule and apply it. For example, dog right arrow FQI. Common types and how to approach one, letter shift / Caesar type rule. Each letter moves by fixed steps, forward back. Example, if cat right arrow FDW, then C right arrow F plus 3, A right arrow D plus 3, T right arrow W plus 3. Tip, check first and last letters to guess shift. 2. Reverse / mirror rule. Word reversed, for example, God right arrow dog, or mirror letters AZ. Example, Nepal right arrow LAPEN, reverse. 3. Position-based, 1 cent plus 2 end, etc. Rule, letters swapped by fixed positions or groups. Example, ABCDE right arrow BADCE, swap pairs. 4. Substitution with pattern rule. Each letter replaced by another specific letter, map. Example, if cat right arrow XCQ, then mapping is C right arrow X, A right arrow Z, T right arrow Q. 5. Numeric code, A equals sign 1, B equals sign 2. Rule, convert letters to numbers, then apply math plus X. Example, cat right arrow March 1st 20, then add plus 2 to each right arrow May 3rd 22 right arrow ECV. 6. Mixed rules often tests combine shift plus reverse or shift plus swap. Check multiple letters to be sure. How to find the rule fast. A 4-step method. 1. Compare same position letters, encoded and original words. 2. Check first and last first, often easiest clues. 3. Look for consistent shift or swap across letters. 4. Test your guessed rule on all letters if matches. It's the rule. Tip on time saving. If 2 or more example pairs are given, derive mapping from them directly rather than brute force. Worked examples, 240, 430. Example 1, shift problem. If pen right arrow SHQ, what is code for map? Find rule, P right arrow S plus 3, E right arrow H plus 3, N right arrow Q plus 3, apply. M plus 3 P, A plus 3 right arrow D, P plus 3 right arrow S right arrow PDS answer. PDS example 2, reverse plus shift problem. If ball right arrow QYYH, what rule? Hint, check B right arrow Q work. B right arrow Q is plus 15 or maybe mirror. Check positions. Ball right arrow reverse. LLAB right arrow, not match. Try mapping letter by letter. B right arrow Q, A right arrow Y, L right arrow Y, L right arrow H, inconsistent. So maybe split. First 2 letters coded by one rule, last 2 by another. But simpler, convert to numbers. B2 right arrow Q 17 plus 15. A1 right arrow Y 25. Plus 24 or minus 2. L12 right arrow Y 25. Plus 13. L12 right arrow H 8 minus 4. This looks messy, better check pattern. Maybe code each letter with different arithmetic. Plus 15, minus 2, plus 13, minus 4. Unusual, in exam you'll see simpler rules. Show this as a cautionary example. Example 3, pair swap problem. If school right arrow HCSLOO work, notice SH. Actually original SCHO, OL right arrow coded HCSLOO. Looks like first and third swapped. Last 2 swapped. Show step-by-step swap. Fast tricks and shortcuts. 4:30, 5 o'clock. If letters are all shifted by same amount right arrow, find numeric difference using a equal sign 1. Z equals sign 26. If some letters reversed or mirrored, test ZA, YB patterns. If coding of vowels behaves differently from consonants, separate them and check pattern. For multiple example pairs, build mapping table quickly. Original right arrow coded.
If you like this, I will make more coding and decoding tricks and a PDF cheat. Comment code and I will drop practice sheet. Good luck. Practice daily and you will master it.